How to fix Huawei Mate 70 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. And then click on display and brightness. If you turn on automatic option, then turn it off. After turning off this automatic option, then go back and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. Now go back and click on reset. Reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.